Get ready to make some devil food eggs. We're making them out of our Easter eggs that we had dyed, y'all. And some of them do have the dye on the outside of the egg, but you can still eat it. It doesn't bother you. So this is what we're doing. We're chopping it up and we're getting ready for to make some devil food, devil eggs. Okay, now we add in some Miracle Whip. And there, little mama's gonna stir it up. And then we're going to go ahead and do the pickles.
Pickles.
Mama, let me help you. And we're doing the pickles in there. Got the pickles. And we're doing the pickles. Yeah, girl. Make some devil eggs. You ever had devil eggs before, Mama?
No.
You haven't? Well, you're going to be tasting them tonight. They good.
It'll be yummy.
Yes. Okay.
Yum. So gummy.